Hey guys, today this video is all about upcoming and recent ads guidelines update in YouTube. So if you're wondering why your revenue starting in May 28 to 30 is not updating because of the new upcoming and recent ad guidelines updates in YouTube. Include the updates for multiple policies in the advertiser-friendly content guidelines and gaming and monetization article, April 2021. Based on a creator advertiser in food, they updated their guidelines to allow more content to become eligible for full monetization or green icon while continuing to maintain advertiser industry standards. So ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-update mga old videos nyo. So let's start it, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.